Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Notepad not opening as blank in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Notepad. So when you open Notepad in Windows 11, if it opens with the previously saved contents, not as a blank document, you need to make these changes in its settings guys. To do this, you just need to select the setting gear icon over here and select when Notepad starts. Click on it, scroll down, click on open a new window option, and that's all you have to do it guys. Now close it off here. And now you just need to select don't save. Now you just need to open up Notepad and it will be open up new page just like this. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.